As the sun rises, the flower closes in, trapping its victim.
Wow!
As the beetle struggles to find a way out, it wipes off pollen from other plants and gathers some from this.
An insect is a small type of animal that you cannot see. Some could fly, it has wings, and some doesn't, as in an ant. An ant only just carries food because they're very strong, even though they're very small. A butterfly has wings so it could fly. Do you know why it flies? So it could go to other flowers and drink nectar. Some rustles like a beetle. A beetle rustles so it could have, so a girl beetles and with two boy beetles. The one that both of them feels in love, so they have a fight. The boys have to fight. If one wins, the winner will get the girl.
Okay.
Bees, actually bugs, are kind of annoying because they sting. But if some stings, they will die, as in bees. Spiders, they are really, really, really interesting and very like poison or something. If you, kind of got bitten or something. Or you see a spider and then you got scared. Like a long time ago, me and Andy just got scared because I saw a spider. I cried. Yes, I got scared. And caterpillars. Do you know where caterpillars come from? First, the butterfly. They lay eggs, and then when they're for a few months, when they are already cracked open, it will, and a few minutes later, the caterpillars will start transforming into a new color, like black, that removes the skin. When a new caterpillar comes out, it's green. So you want to know how to draw a caterpillar? Come on.